Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the split nightmare daydream video edit on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your video like so and add in effects. So I'm just going to go to nature and I'm going to add in effects like this lightning one on the nightmare side. You can adjust it a little bit, like the speed and stuff. I'm also going to add this fire one too. You can add any effects you want, of course, for this. Maybe add in this vapor one too, like the video. And I'm just going to select these and then right click and then create compound clip. Then I'm going to select mask and I'm going to select split and I'm going to split it 90 degrees and I'm going to feather it out a little bit just so it doesn't clash that much. I think the lightning is what's causing that like kind of black overlay, so I might delete that. Hold on. Because it's too much. Maybe this lightning one is a little bit better. Okay, I'm just going to go with this one. You can again choose any effects you want, then create compound clip, and then I'm just going to split it in half and feather it out a little bit. And then on this side, you're going to add in like fun stuff like petals and like roses. So add it behind that video and maybe like, I don't know, snow. Snow's good, right? Or you can even add this starry one here. Just adjust it to your liking, like what you want on this part and also on the other side. It's of course going to be different, but that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!